So I was just on a walk at the weekend and I came across this amazing view, and I thought it'd be fun to just quickly try to draw it. So let's start. You have this amazing scene where there's this terrace in 1 point perspective, right? So it all terminates there. And this is just about observation. So all I'm doing is I'm developing my drawing skill by observing what I see. So I've kind of blocked out this terrace and then kind of want to set up my view a bit. So just showing a line for the hills in the background, and then there's this kind of amazing rocky kind of cliff face that the terrace is built up on. And then you have this incredible arched bridge, which is kind of more in the foreground. It kind of has these amazing arches. And again, all I'm trying to do is just quickly capture what I'm seeing. I'm not worried about how good the sketch is. All I'm really trying to do is just enjoy trying to kind of observe. So in here you have the stream running down. This was the path that we ended up taking. And this is kind of in shadow, right? And then over here you have this kind of this vegetation, this clump of trees like that. And we could have some more, just which would maybe have a bit more detail coming out here. And then, you know, there's a big profile of vegetation here. And now I think I'm just gonna quickly show this kind of rhythm of chimneys like this. It doesn't have to be accurate. Let's just kind of look at the terrace a bit more. So each house, you know, they have this simple rhythm of windows, and I can draw these lines to my vanishing point here to help guide me with. I'm going to show these just very simply with 2 lines, which is kind of how they actually appear. And then below is another window. Here are the doors, and maybe we can start to show some sort of idea about the kind of texture of this kind of rock face that the terrace is built up on. Just want to show a few more details. Have that bridge coming over. This was the water. And then kind of have use some stippling texture just to make the bridge stand out a little bit more. I think I might just shade that in also. So this is just a really quick drawing, taking me just a few minutes, but it's just about getting your eyes and your hands and your mind working together, trying to observe, trying to actually draw what you see, and just enjoy thinking about something that you've observed. Just going to shade in the roof of that terrace and just define that shape a little bit more. And I'm going to leave that drawing where it is. That's all I want to show. These really quick sketches, they're fun, they're loose. What it's really about is developing a habit of drawing, a kind of a practice that you can work up your skills. And it's also just about not being too precious. You know, I think sometimes with sketchbooks, there's this tendency to always do the best drawing. But look at this. This isn't my best or favorite sketch, but it's just taken me a few minutes, and I've thought a little bit about, you know, this place that I went to visit, and I admired the view and the architecture. So I hope this was useful. Let me know if you try this drawing out yourself. Take a screenshot of the photo and give it a shot yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.